Okay, good evening. Welcome to
Remember 576.
FamilyMath576. So this morning we did a really fun project on Evelyn Lamb's pentagons, and they were of the type 1 type, like this one, and these are the ones we made. Our project tonight is going to be talking about how I made these.
Okay.
Okay. So the pentagons we made were for this pattern, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And the picture here on Wikipedia's page describes the pentagons. So can you see the angles, which are capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E?
Yep.
And the side lengths are lowercase. Okay?
So it says
So the general type 1 pentagon just has what property?
B plus C, the angles B and C, and
Okay.
equal 180.
All right, where are those in the figure?
B.
and
I think this would be C.
okay, why? Why do you think that's C?
Well, there's no other C on here.
Okay. So we've
And
got
also it says 180 minus B.
yeah, it's 180 minus B. See, so these bottom two angles add up to 180, and so you can see how. Do I get the short side right? Yeah, you can see how I made mine. Those bottom two angles add up to 180.
Yep.
How did I do that?
Well, you just made two parallel lines. So like, well, these two angles out of 180?
No,
These two.
those two. Yeah.
Just made this line and this line is are parallel to
Okay.
each other. And you then this line is just some line that we don't know anything about yet.
Okay. What angle does it look like I chose for those two angles to add up
All
to
right angle.
Both
180?
about 90.
Yeah, both 90. Okay, well, that's the general one. The one for Evelyn Lamb's pentagons has a couple of extra properties. So we still have B plus C is 180. Same angles there.
Yep.
See that? The other three angles add up to 360. A, D, and E. Do you think that's a special property?
No.
Why?
Well, because if two angles add up to 180, the other two have to add up to 360.
The other how many?
The other three have to add up to 360.
Why?
Because the sum of angles in a pentagon is 540 degrees.
Okay, yeah, so this funny extra condition, A plus D plus E is 360, is not something I had to worry about when I was building the pentagon because guess what?
That already happens.
Yeah.
Happens automatically. But there's one very special condition in the Evelyn Lamb type pentagons. A equals E, and those are lowercase letters. So that means the side lengths, little a, little e, are the same.
So let's see. It's the ones in red, I think. So
Yeah.
A and E.
The ones in red. And since these, I'll put my pentagon in the same construction as before. So can you see the two right angles?
Yeah.
And can you then see the sides? See how it's constructed here with my right angles are going up like that. What are the side lengths that are the same?
So we have those two.
That's right. So those two have to be the same. So that's the problem we have to solve to build this pentagon and then send it off to the 3D printer. So now I want to talk about how I solved that problem, okay?
Alright.
Okay.